How to create account in Rockstar Games Social Club. First, open any of the browser and search for Rockstar Games Sign Up. Now tap on this first link, Rockstar Games, open it. Next, you land off this kind of page. You have to select your date of birth. After you are done, tap on next. Now over here you have to put a tick mark onto a small square box of terms and conditions and simply tap on the option of next. After that, you have to fill up the information of the space. Firstly, type in your email, password and nickname of your account. After you fill up, tap on that small square box again and tap on the options of next. Now, you'll be receiving a verification code in the email address. So, go back and open up your Gmail. Here, you'll see the email on the top from the Rockstar Games Social Club. Just tap on it. Simply copy this code. Now, paste it over here and tap on the option of submit. Here you go, your social club account has been created successfully. This is how you create account in Rockstar Games Social Club. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe us for more helpful tutorials. Thank you. So this is how